Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I'm excited that you're here with me today. We have a haul video. This video is going to have a lot of product in it, and I'm just going to say up front, I'm slightly embarrassed at how much stuff I've gotten, but it was a 4th of July sale, and it was kind of like my last big hoorah before I have to really get on a budget. So I'm just going to show it to you, and that's just the honest truth. So these are from Amazon. Remember when I showed you the cute little gems from Crafty Meraki? So I got these, and look at the difference in size. So I'm on the right path, it's just the wrong size. I don't think I'm going to get rid of these though, because I could see making some cute like lip glosses or something and filling them in here for Christmas or different things. So I'm not going to get rid of these ones. I'm not going to, or return them, I should say. I'm going to keep them because, you know, they could come in for something cute, but I do want these bigger size. So now I know these ones were the 5 gram. So I want the bigger ones. So now I just got to try to find bigger ones. So I'll link to the small ones, and if I find the bigger ones, I'll link to those on Amazon. Okay, now I got some goodies from Pajama Crafter Stamps, and I'm going to try to link to all the products below that I got. And I'm going to open everything right here. If you hear some racket in the background of this video, it is one of two things. Either my puppy being a puppy, or my husband mowing. So there's your fair warning. So I got a few Christmas things. So this is some really cool trees, Christmas trees. And I just think these are really fun and pretty. And I'm gonna, now I know they say prickly pear stamps, but Pajama Crafter Stamps bought the prickly pear. So there's still product left that is prickly pear, and it's discounted very deep. And I have some news coming in August about these 2 stamp sets. I'm really excited to share with you. And then these are the dies. So a cupcake stamp set for Christmas time and a Christmas tree stamp set. So there's some Christmas in July goodies. And then we have my waffle flower purchase. I am slightly obsessed with waffle flour. Okay, I have a lot of obsessions, guys. I'm just going to be honest. So let's see here. I got to check the puppy. Dixie, what are you doing? You're making me nervous. Okay, so this is gift for you. Share on Instagram, hashtag waffle flower crafts. Oh my gosh, this whole thing is a gift, I think. No, I bought this. So this is my little gift right here. It's a little postage stamp with a little bitty stencil. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So cute. Okay. And then there's this, which is a bundle. I love that Waffle Flower Crafts does this, where they put it in like this, its own little plastic baggie. So I can just take this out. And I won't even have to like relabel. Look, I can just stick this in, and then I can take these guys out. These are the matching dies. I just love this. Again, getting some Christmas goodies, getting ready for the holidays. Joy to the world. Oh, what fun, making it merry. And then these cut all of those out. I think it should just slip in behind, I think. Yep. And then it closes up. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. You're going to hear a bunch of noise in the background. It's the pup. All right, here we have the Waffle Flower Postage Collage Holiday Bundle. I'm going to try to get this out of here. Wait. So these are snowman stencils. There's like Christmas tree stencils, poinsettia or poinsettia stencils, and then these fun stamps to go over the top. I also purchased the postage collage coloring stencil set and dies because I just love all the postage stuff that I see, and I was finally gave in and I was like, I have to get that stuff. It's just so cute. So here's some of those, more stencils for over these guys. And I already have the slimline one, so this is fun. And then this is another sentiment set. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays type situation. And same thing. These, I'm just going to take this out. Oh. I don't know if you can hear the puppy, but my goodness, she's making a racket. This will just go in there. And then I think if this won't fit, I'll just cut it down. But I think it'll fit. And it will die cut all of these. I just love these bags that they include. So there's that. Okay, so there's my waffle flower crafts fun stuff. Can't wait to play with this. Okay, what's next? Now we have Concord and 9th. They had a new release on, I think they have a release on the 9th of every month. And I am particularly excited about the goodies I got from them. So it is a boot, and look at how it cuts. It like layers and makes all these super cute boot designs. And then there's a stamp set, so you can cut out each individual boot. And then this is a turnabout stamp. I have never had one of these, and I want to try it, so we'll try that out at some point. And then I got some Concord and 9th neutral colored cardstock because I've never gotten any of their cardstock, and I thought it would be fun to try it and see if I like it. I'm sure I will. So yeah, it looks really nice. It's dyed through. It's not white core. And this is just a pack of their neutrals. I figured I could use their neutrals for just about anything. So I'll stick that back in here till I'm ready to use it. And there's my Concord and 9th haul. So the cute boot and the stamp set, and then a turnabout stamp. So I thought all of these were really, really cute. So I grabbed those. Okay. Next up is a big boy from Spellbinders. So I need to cut the box open here. I'm kind of disappointed because there was a specific stamp set that I wanted, or not stamp set, die set that I wanted from Spellbinders. Oh no, this isn't. Oh yeah, this is Spellbinders. There was a specific stamp set that I wanted, or die set, and they didn't have it, so that kind of broke my heart. So I didn't get that, even though I ordered it. It didn't end up coming. I got a refund. That's how I know I don't have it. Okay, so I ordered. I'll show you that in a second. So I ordered these arch dies, just to have essential arches. There's 16 of them because I thought it would be fun to have another shape die. I got a new press plate. So this is for the better press, but it will also work for hot foiling. If I remember correctly, you can, anything that you can use on the better press, you can use on hot foiling, just not the other way around. And then I got this press plate also, this beautiful sunflowers. I bought this stuff after using the better press system and knowing that I was going to use it. I thought this was gorgeous. So I got a fun background plus this fun image to do stuff with. And then I got, check this out. I got these Mickey Disney scrapbooks. So these are by Simple Stories. They're 6 by 8. Look at this. They have these cute tabs. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's like a pocket here. And then of course your regular stuff in the back. Your, what are they called? Protector sheets, pocket sheets. And then I got this as an add-on also. Simple Stories Big Bits. So this is Say Cheese Magic. So I'll make sure to link to this as well. Okay. For some reason, I thought that I got another builder die, but maybe I didn't. So there's those. And then I have my very last Stampin' Up! Order that came for, so when I was with Stampin' Up! I earned like free product every 3 months. I would earn a little bit of free product. And so I turned in my free product order before I left, and I'll show you what I got. So this came, I think I paid a little bit for this, but it was mostly free product. So one of the things I knew I wanted to have for card making and scrapbooking was this tab punch, because I feel like this just makes really easy tabs, obviously. So there's this, and then this, keeping tabs. So I got that, and then I also got, let me grab it out of here. I got some Thoughtful Journey 6x6 designer paper. And then I got this Scenic Route Traveler journal thing. My travel journal. So I thought this would be fun for Christmas for one of my nieces, because she goes and does a lot of fun stuff. And then I got the Love This Memory notebook kit. So let's open this one. And I think I got this one for, yeah. So this is just another fun little notebook. So I'll give this to one of my other nieces as well. And then it's got a stamp set to go with it. So I just thought these were cute for Christmas gifts. And then I thought this one would come in handy for my scrapbooking and stuff. Okay, so let's see what else I got. Okay, the last part of this haul is from Simon Says Stamp. So I got this really cute 6x6 paper from Newton's Nook. This all came from Simon Says Stamp, but it's different products. So I thought this was so stinking cute, this farmyard paper. And I thought it would go really well for some of my scrapbooking and even cards that I might want to make, like the little happy pigs and stuff. So stinking cute. Really, really cute. So there's that. I got this cool 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. So I like this one. It's kind of just, you know, a good Argyle plaid background. In fact, that's what it's called, Argyle plaid. I got the Spellbinder scissors that are pretty pricey. These were $15, but everybody says you have to have them because you guys told me these are the non-stick ones. So I should be able to cut my foam tape and stuff without them getting all gunked up. And then I got a bunch of stuff from Mama Elephant. So I got this little barnyard set, which has, I think, let me see, does it, yeah, I think it's these dies. Maybe not. So this is a farmhouse. So this makes another, like, not a builder, but like, you know, it makes a farmhouse. Or a barn. This is a little barn set, and I thought I got dies that went with this, but oh, you know what? I think they were out of stock. So I'll have to go back and buy those. And then I got this. Is so cute. It's a little pig agenda. And there's like a birthday pig and a Valentine's pig and a pig with a pencil and a donut and a Cupid pig and a bath time pig and just all the pigs you could ever imagine. And that has these dies to cut all those little fellers out. And then I got this sentiment set called Celebrating You. So I thought this was just a really good all-around sentiment stamp set. We are happy for you, love, love, love you, a little something just for you. You are wonderful in every single way. Thankful you're in my world. You're my favorite friend. I am always here for you. I miss you. That is all. Hello, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. You are loved. Today we celebrate you. Let the celebrations begin. You mean the world to me. You are beyond amazing. And then dies to cut all those out. And then I saw these and I had to have them. These are stitched star dies from Pretty Pink Posh. And I don't have any star dies in my arsenal. I got this one from Pink and Maine, and I 100% thought this was a stencil. It is an embossing folder. I'm still going to keep it. I'm sure I'll still use it, but I did actually think this was a stencil. If you guys have a good stencil resource for like rays like this, please tell me, because I would like to get a stencil that does like rays coming down. I also got this Copic opaque white ink, and I literally got this just for splattering, pretty much, because I don't know what else I would use it for, but I haven't had like any sort of opaque white ink, so I got that. And then I got these. These are the new Tim Holtz Distress Ink sprays, and they are like a shimmer spray. So I got the whole set. I got all the colors, whole set. And so these are going to be super fun to play with when I have a fun project that I want to get a little bit messy with. And this just is kind of like the basic colors. So this is the full set. So there's picked raspberry, worn lipstick, barn door, spiced marmalade, walnut stain, weathered wood, peeled paint, peacock feathers, uncharted mariner, fossilized amber, wilted violet, and twisted citron. So those are going to be fun, and I'm going to put those up on my fun shelf that I have. So that is all the goodies that I got over the 4th of July weekend. That's my full haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.